Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Supademo product update. In this video, we're going to walk through 6 new customer-facing updates on the Supademo platform during the month of May. This includes a brand new screen recorder, Showcases 2.0, a new pronunciation dictionary, AI demo agent improvements, better video support, and more control over how viewers experience your demos. Let's jump in and explore the updates. First up, Supademo now includes a powerful new screen and webcam recorder, helping you replace tools like Loom or Vidyard for free directly on Supademo. With this feature, you can record your screen in 4K and capture your webcam, resize or customize your talking head, capture system audio, and edit your video with quick edits like trim, crop, and split. And once your recording is ready, you can instantly share it as a link, you can download it, or you can turn it into an interactive demo, complete with hotspots, variables, branching, forms, and analytics. And for the best part, you get unlimited free 4K video recording on all paid plans for both creators and free view-only members on your team. That means your team can create interactive demos, talking head videos, take screenshots, build advanced routing flows, and create sandboxes and self-demoing agents all in one platform without paying for other tools. Second, we launched Showcases 2.0. Showcases now have a brand new design that makes it easier to organize, present, and share collections of product content with prospects, customers, and teammates. You can now choose from 3 different types of Showcase collection layouts: gallery, sidebar, and checklist view. And all 3 Showcase types now support multiple types of content, including interactive demos, videos, calendar embeds, links, decks, or PDFs. That means you can create one centralized destination for everything a viewer needs, whether that's a product tour, a personalized video, a sales deck, a help doc link, or a follow-up resource. Third up, we added a new dictionary feature for AI voiceovers and AI demo agents. This lets you define exactly how unique words, names, or acronyms, or even product terms should be pronounced. For example, if you want Houston Street in New York to be pronounced as Houston and not Houston, you can add that in your pronunciation dictionary. Or if you want Supademo to be pronounced as Supademo and not Superdemo, you can define that too. Once added to your workspace, Supademo will use the right pronunciation across AI-generated voiceovers and AI demo agent experiences. This way, your demos and AI demo agents sound more polished, more accurate, and more on brand. And speaking of self-demoing agents, we made major improvements to our recently launched Agentic demo feature. AI demo agents are now 2 times faster for responses with lower latency and smoother real-time conversations. We've also improved guardrails, made setup easier, and brought costs down to as low as 51 cents per 15-minute demo call. On top of that, AI demo agent conversations now support shareable transcripts, so your team can review what prospects and customers asked, what they looked at, and what they care about, so you can follow up with context. So this means you can now qualify customers, answer product questions 24/7, and demo your product like your best rep for a third of the cost of a can of Coke. Next up, we added more demo playback options with keyboard navigation controls. So you can now enable or disable back and arrow forward navigation within your demos. This gives you much more flexibility on how viewers move throughout your Supademo. This also applies to caption controls. So instead of showing caption controls at the bottom right of a demo, Supademo now allows you to choose a positioning on a per demo basis, so elements or items for a particular flow are not covered. And finally, we improved video support across the board on the Supademo platform. So Supademo now supports embeds for native video recordings that take place on the platform, allowing you to embed video content directly into your pages and workflows and docs. We also improved video upload support so it's easier and more reliable to bring existing video content into the Supademo platform. So, to recap, Here are some of the new things that we launched this month on Supademo. You can now record unlimited 4K videos on all paid plans. Showcases 2.0 now include a brand new design, 3 display options, support for videos, interactive demos, links, and PDFs in one showcase. The new dictionary feature lets you define custom pronunciation for unique terms, so AI voiceovers and agents say things the right way. And AI demo agents are now faster, easier to set up, safer, and more affordable. And finally, you can also enable or disable keyboard navigation and move caption controls around, and videos are faster and more reliable than ever on the platform. So that's it for major features launched in May. If you're already using Supademo, we encourage you to go out and try these features live on the platform today. And if you're new to Supademo, now is an excellent time to start creating interactive demos, videos, showcases, and agentic demos all in one platform together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.